Hi, my name is Kevin Strohmeyer and I'm a product manager here at NComputing. Today we're going to talk about the L300 Ethernet Virtual Desktop. This is the third generation of virtual desktop from NComputing, and because it's network deployed, it's flexible to deploy inside of a room, across a campus, or inside of a large corporate network. Now the L300 Virtual Desktop is designed to be easy to deploy, easy to manage, and deliver a breakthrough price performance. The L300 Virtual Desktop has been designed with a number of exciting new features. The first is the ability to play full-screen video up to 1920 by 1080 resolutions over the network from your remote host. This is done very efficiently using the new Numo system on a chip from NComputing. Video is played back on the server, transcoded and then sent very efficiently over the network to this device where it is decoded and scaled up to the display. The benefit is that you can deliver full-screen video, but also reduce the cost on network and server-side processing. Another new feature of the L300 Virtual Desktop is high availability login. This means I can have multiple users and multiple vSpace hosts deployed on a network. And if one of those hosts were to fail, or if I need to take one of those hosts out for maintenance, the users will all get the same login, the same access to the same applications and documents that they always had. The L300 Virtual Desktop also has a new feature called Express Desktop Deployment. This means that I can set up just one unit, set up all the group settings, where I want to log into, network settings, resolution settings for the user that I want, get it right, and then call it a template. I can then take that template back on the console and push it out to thousands of desktops, really just taking the work out of deploying a large number of desktops. Another feature of the L300 is transparent USB redirection. Now what that means is if I take one of these units, I have 4 USB ports. Now 2 of these are dedicated for keyboard and mouse, but 2 are for accessories. So what this means is I can plug a USB flash key or a scanner or a printer into one of these devices, but I don't have to have the drivers for those devices here locally. Instead, as soon as I plug in, it's as if I'm actually plugging into my session running back on a host, somewhere back in the network. So that means that there's no management that I have to do on this device, but yet I can interact with those USB devices conveniently from my desk. The L300 also comes in a very convenient package that can be installed in really a zero footprint installation by mounting to a standard VESA mount. As you can see, all the cable management runs down the back of the display, and I have just a simple plate that this unit attaches to that's screwed to the back of the display. I also have a Kensington lock back here if I wanted to secure this unit down to a desk or a fixed point. The best way to experience the power and simplicity of the L300 Virtual Desktop is to check it out for yourself. If you go to www.ncomputing.com, you can follow a link where you can fill out some information and we can send you a trial.